Good morning all. I Rajiya Pathan from Gyanmanjari Vidhyapith, standard 5th. So students, today we'll start unit number 5th. In that unit, we have to start at worksheet number 23rd, 23 worksheet number. That worksheet is 3D object, faces and shapes. So we have to find the 3D object faces and that shapes. So for each 3D objects given, write the number of face and names of the 2D shapes that form the base. Now we have to write here 2D shapes names, okay, and we have to write the number of the faces. So first one is completed here, students. Name of the 3D object, name of the faces, name of 2D shapes that the face. So we have to do the table over here in our maths notebook. So students, here we have to draw one table, okay. We have to write name of (3D) object. Then we have to write here number of faces. And students, in the last we have to write here name of 2D shapes that form the face. Okay, this one is I hope so students is clear. Now our first shape is students, first one is a square pyramid. First one is a square pyramid. Okay students. So students, in a square pyramid there is a 5 faces. How many faces are there? 5 faces. Square is equal to 1 and triangle is equal to 4. Second one is a B1, this prism. So in a prism, students, there is a 5 faces. Triangle is a 2 and rectangle is equal to 3. Rectangle is equal to 3. Then students, rectangle is equal to 3. Now students, next one portion is C1 portion. In the C1 portion, there is a cuboid is there. So cuboid is a 6 faces and rectangle is equal to 6. Then D1 question is, students, cube. Cube is a 6 faces and squares is equal to 6. Then students, cylinder, cylinder, cylinder has a 3 faces, circle is equal to 2 and curved face is equal to 1. F1 sums, students, cone is there. So there is a 2 faces, cone is having the 2 faces, circle 1 and curved face is equal to 1. Okay students, so students, now I'll give you 1 minute, 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths rough book because we have completed already this. So you have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Okay students, now next worksheet is worksheet number 24. Worksheet number 24 is there, students. In that worksheet, 3D objects. Okay, so we are having some 3D object. What we have to do for that? Name the solid shapes that can be formed by each drawn below. Now we are having some shapes that I'll show you here, and we have to write their names. So students, here first one shapes like this. Okay, and the second one shape is like this. Okay, So students, this one is a cone shape. Which shape is this? This is a cone shape, and because of the here is a two faces, one curve shape and one is a circle. So this is a cone shape, and this one is a cuboid. This one is a cuboid because of the six faces is there and six rectangle is there. So the second one is a cuboid. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to draw this in your maths rough book, a maths notebook, and write it down, students. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next. So students, look at this. Like this, and okay students. So students, first one is a cylinder, and second one is a prism. Second one is a prism. Now students, you have to draw the shapes. I'll give you 1 minute students, you have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next portion. Next shapes is like like this. So this is a cube students, because of the 6 faces, and there is a 6 square is there, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and large shapes is like this. This is a square pyramid because of the one square and four triangle is there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 faces are there. So here we have to write square pyramid. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute to complete your work. All the shapes students you have to draw in your maths notebook. सभी shapes है वो आप लोगों को आपकी maths की notebook में draw करने हैं. Okay, that means you have to write the worksheet number 23 and 24 in your maths notebook students. Now students, here we are our unit number 2nd. Unit number 3rd is completed. You have to complete your homework, and that homework you have to send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to do this all the shapes in your maths notebook, and worksheet number 23 also you have to write in your maths notebook and send it to me homework before 1:30. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.